Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert image in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Image. Here you need to select this one option, Upload from the computer. Alternatively, you can try different methods to insert image if you want, but I recommend you to use the first one option, so I click on it, and then you need to select image which you want to upload. So for example, I click on this one image, and I click open button to load it to our document. How you see it has been successfully inserted here. So now you can click on this image and you can resize it if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So how you see it really works. Of course you can click on this one image and you can change the settings of this image. You can change it to wrap text, break text, behind text or in front of text. So for example, I will select here wrap text. And how you see, it really works, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.